Hello, all my lovely students. Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are very fine, very good, and staying inside your home. And listen, today our lecture is based on how can we make cotton clothes. So you can see here it is a page number 22. So before starting this lecture, just bring your book and keep it in front of you and open the page number 22. Today I will explain then how we get cotton from cotton plants and how we make cotton clothes from cotton. Students, as we all know that we wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. In previous lecture already I explained you different types of season, different types of clothes. Like in winter season we like to wear woolen clothes, and in rainy season we like to wear raincoat and use umbrellas, gumboots, and in summertime we like to prefer light cotton clothes. So today I will explain you about cotton clothes. So we wear different types of clothes in different seasons. Today we will discuss about summer. In summer we like to wear light cotton clothes. Am I right? Yes. So imagine that it's a bright sunny day. बहुत तेज़ गर्मी है. It's a bright sunny day. So what kind of outfit will you prefer to going out in sun? Tell me student, which type of outfit you will prefer to going out in sun? Light and soft cotton clothes. Why? Why do we wear cotton clothes only in summer? I am telling you. As you all know that summertime sun always very hot, or we can say sunny days. So in sunny days we like to wear cotton or light cotton clothes because it keep us cool. Let's start how to make cotton clothes in different steps. So first, what is the first step? I am telling you. First steps it brings from cotton bolls from cotton plants. Yes, you can see here. These are the cotton balls. And where we get from where we get these cotton balls? From cotton plant. अब what is the process to इनकी क्या प्रोसेस होती है कि ये कॉटन बॉल्स कैसे आती हैं? हाउ कैन वी यूज़ इट? हाउ कैन वी क्लीन इट? सो जस्ट आई हैव रिटन एवरीथिंग. जस्ट लुक एट हेयर. यस, you can say just cotton plants require a lot of sun. First we will start from cotton plants. Okay, cotton plants require a lot of sunshine and it's typically tropical climate with medium rainfall. इसको किसकी ज़रूरत होती है? एक रेनफॉल की भी, थोड़ी सी रेनिंग की ज़रूरत होती है, एंड इट्स टू ब्रिंग आउट द cotton balls. So once the cotton balls which fruits like structure, ये जो cotton balls हैं वो किसकी तरह लग रही हैं? It's a cotton plant's fruit. कैसे लग रही हैं ये? Cotton plant's fruit की तरह. So when fruits like structure containing the cotton fiber mature, जब ये फिर ये क्या निकले? कॉटन बॉल्स बन जाते हैं. It buds open and cotton fiber are exposed. जब रेनफॉल होता है तो थोड़ा सा इसको सन की सनशाइन की भी ज़रूरत होती है कॉटन प्लांट्स को. तो आफ्टर सनशाइन, आफ्टर प्रोसेसिंग ऑफ द प्लांट, आफ्टर सम टाइम इट ओपन इट्स बर्ड्स. इसकी जो बर्ड्स होती हैं, बर्ड्स ओपन होती हैं और उसमें से कॉटन प्लांट्स निकलने लगते हैं, कॉटन बॉल्स. सो इट बर्ड्स ओपन एंड कॉटन फाइबर आर एक्सपोज्ड. And cotton fiber, after open its buds, what we do? अभी हमें cotton balls मिल गई. अब हम इसका क्या करेंगे? What we will do of cotton balls? Cotton fiber is picked, cleaned and made into yarn or thread. आफ्टर कॉटन फाइबर, जब हमें कॉटन फाइबर मिल जाता है, इट पिक्ड, क्लीन्ड एंड मेड इनटू यार्न और थ्रेड. तो ये क्या बनता है, हम इसको क्लीन करते हैं, फिर ये क्या बनता है, यार्न और थ्रेड. यार्न मीन्स धागा. सो कॉटन, आफ्टर गेटिंग द कॉटन फाइबर्स वी क्लीन्ड इट and made into yarn. So this is the first step is called spinning or yarn manufacture. What is this process is called? This process is called spinning. This process is called spinning. You can see in your book also, from the cotton we make thread by the process of spinning. तो spinning की process है ये, look at this. This is the spinning process. And by this we can get a thread or we can call it yarn. After getting yarn, what we will do? The second step is called weaving or knitting. This step is known as fabric manufacture. Means after getting yarn, जब हमें yarn मिल जाता है, then weave is weaving or knitting. हम इसको बनाना स्टार्ट करते हैं. हम इसको क्लॉथ में कन्वर्ट करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. तो द सेकेंड स्टेप इज कॉल्ड वीविंग and knitting. This step is known as fabric manufacture. So what is this process is called? Fabric manufacture. This is the cotton manufacturing. Okay, यहाँ से cotton मिलता है. It is a cotton manufacturing by the process of spinning, thread manufacturing and thread manufacturing, or you can say yarn manufacture. Or after this process, after spinning this process, we start knitting or weaving, the process by which cotton thread becomes a cloth. जिस प्रोसेस के हम ये yarn मिलने के बाद हम क्लॉथ बनाते हैं, तो what is this process is called weaving. So students, today we will learn how to make cotton clothes. How? First we get cotton balls from cotton plants. Second, cotton balls, after getting cotton balls we cleaned it and made into yarn. So it is, this process is called yarn manufacture, or what is it called, spinning. And after spinning process we make cotton cloth by its thread. So it is called the process of weaving or knitting. So I hope you will understand whatever I have explained you, the how you will make cotton clothes. And in next lecture I will explain you how we will make woolen clothes. So just watch my video and listen whatever I have explained you and revise it and understand what is the steps, what types of steps I have explained you, okay, in this video. So learn how to make cotton clothes and be ready for your next class. Goodbye.